Hi there, students. Afoot. Okay, afoot is normally an adjective. It's one of these post-positive adjectives, although it can be used as an adverb as well. Let's see, if something is afoot, it's in progress, it's happening, it's being planned, it's being prepared. So there are plans afoot to improve the system. Yeah. What is afoot? What's happening? Yeah. I want to see what the kids are doing. There is something afoot. Okay, something happening, something in operation. They're doing something. Yeah. When you say what's up, you're saying what's afoot, what's happening, what's going on, what's current, what's brewing, what's hatching. Yeah. Clearly something awful is afoot. Yeah. So notice this, it's one of these post-positives. It means most normally use it with the verb to be. But if you use it with a noun, it's got to come after the noun. So the changes afoot are going to be very radical. After the noun, you can't use it before. You can't say the afoot changes. The changes afoot. Yeah. The party afoot was making a huge amount of noise. Okay, so if something's afoot, if you say a plan or a scheme is afoot, it's already happening, it's already in motion, but you probably don't know a great deal about it. Yeah, it's operating, it's going on. Yeah, particularly plans are afoot to do this. There was mischief afoot. Yeah, in the process of development, underway. Construction is underfoot. Yeah, it's underway, it's going on, it's happening. Yeah, plans are underfoot to hold a concert in this place. Yeah, in preparation, in progress, happening or beginning to happen. Yeah. So I also said you can use this as an adverb. The Americans use this word as well to mean on foot, walking. So I had to go afoot because my car wasn't working. But notice this, I think, is very American. I wouldn't use this in British English, but on foot, using your feet. For me, afoot, something that is going on, something that is in progress, something that is in motion, it's in action. Yeah, the government has plans afoot. A scheme to change this is afoot. Okay, it's going on. There's something happening. There are plans afoot to launch a new product. Yeah. Okay, there are tales afoot concerning his honesty. Yeah, there are tales afoot about the Prime Minister. Yeah. What else has been afoot of late? What's been happening recently? There is a process afoot. It's started, it's being planned, it's in action. Yeah. So there is action afoot. People are doing something about this. Something needs to be done, and something is afoot to change this. There are plans afoot to do this. Okay, so what is currently afoot in the fashion scene? What's happening? What's going on? And then remember, either use the verb to be or after a noun, but it must be after, never before. It's very common with these words that begin with a. This is called post-positive adjective. Let's see, formality. It sounds a little bit formal, maybe a little bit old-fashioned. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think informally what's going on, happening, in progress. Yeah, use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or a formal writing as well. And then as to origin, well, afoot. Yeah, making it into an adjective, and foot, walking. So yeah, the project is afoot, the project is walking. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Afoot.